Most people think getting rich is about earning more money, finding the perfect stock, or copying what influencers flaunt online. The shocking truth? True wealth is 80% mindset and only 20% strategy. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to share 5 powerful psychological truths about money that separate the quietly wealthy from everyone else struggling to get ahead. These simple shifts can completely change your financial future, so stay till the end for the one that makes the biggest difference. First, real wealth is invisible. Flashy cars, designer clothes, and luxury vacations often signal spending, not wealth. The truly rich have money you don't see, quietly growing in investments, freedom they don't need to prove, and options they choose not to use. Stop trying to look rich, and you'll start becoming rich. Second, compound interest works because of patience, not math alone. A small amount invested consistently over time can grow into millions, but our brains crave instant rewards. That's why most people jump from one hot tip to another and end up with nothing. The wealthy stay boring, disciplined, and let time do the work. Third, scarcity mindset keeps you broke. When you believe there's never enough, you hoard, fear risks, and miss opportunities. An abundance mindset sees possibilities everywhere, gives value freely, and attracts more money in return. Change how you think about money, and money starts flowing toward you. Fourth, delayed gratification is your greatest wealth superpower. Saying no to small temptations today means saying yes to massive freedom tomorrow. The rich protect their time, avoid distractions, and stick to simple, consistent habits that compound into extraordinary results. And finally, your money story from childhood is silently running your finances right now, but you can rewrite it. Beliefs like money is hard to get or rich people are greedy hold most people back. The wealthy constantly upgrade their inner narrative to confidence, possibility, and growth. Change your story and your bank account will follow. There you have it. 5 psychological truths that build real wealth. Which one resonated with you the most? Drop it in the comments, share this with someone who needs to hear it, hit that like button if you're ready to think richer, and subscribe to Wealth Compass with notifications on for more no-nonsense insights every week.